Typically when charting in Excel, our data labels come out as black font by default. We can see that here, and they actually don't match the color of each individual line. If we wanted to make that change, we could just select each series of data labels individually, right-click it, go into Format Data Labels, then under Text Options, we would be able to change the text fill to whatever color we want. However, we'd have to do this for each individual data series one by one, and this can be really time-consuming on large charts. Fortunately, Macabacus can do this all for us with just one click. Just left-click your chart, go up into Charts, then under Recolor Chart, we can see this option for Recolor Labels to Points. If we had a single series or data labels collection selected, it would only recolor those data labels to the same color as the respective series or line. But since we don't have any selected, it will actually recolor each data label collection to the same color as its data series, which saves you a ton of time as far as going through and changing the color of each series. We could just do it in one click right here using Macabacus. We love using this one here at CFI as it's really quick and saves a ton of time. Enjoying these tips and would like to see more of our content? Then hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for all your support, and we'll see you over in the next video.